Hello guys, Arafat here again. If you are new to a WordPress and wondering how to add clickable links into your website, then this video is for you. It's a quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add links both in Gutenberg and Elementor. I will also explain what options like open in new tab actually means. So let's jump into it. First, let's start with Gutenberg. Log into your WordPress dashboard and open the page or post where you want to add a clickable link. Now, select the text you want to turn into a clickable link. For example, I will show you the text. Get the plugin. Once the text is selected, click the link icon from the toolbar. Now, paste your URL here. You can also manually type the full link if you want. After adding the URL, you will notice a few extra settings. One important option is open a new tab. When this is enabled, the link opens in a separate browser tab instead of replacing the current page. It's especially useful for adding up external websites. You may also see options like nofollow that tells search engines not to pass SEO authorities to the link website. Once everything looks good, press enter or click apply. And that's it. Your text is now clickable. Don't forget to update or publish the page. Now, let's check how it looks on the front end. As you can see, the text is now highlighted as a clickable link. The exact style may look different depending on your WordPress theme. Remember it. Now, let's do the same thing in Elementor. Open your page with Elementor and click on the widget where you want to add the link. This can be a text widget, headings, button, image, or pretty much anything clickable. Now find the link field, paste your URL, and save the changes. And done! Whoa! Your clickable link is now live. And that's pretty much it. You now know how to add a clickable links in a WordPress using both Gutenberg and Elementor. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly WordPress tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, cheers!